Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to search for channels on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. In the search bar at the top, enter your search query and hit search. YouTube suggests relevant videos based on your search query. Now, instead of videos, let's say if you want to see the channels that make videos on this topic. To find that, click the filter icon at the top. A dialog box pops up. Here, under Type section, select Channel option. As you can see, search results will now only include channels that make videos on the topic. Similarly, you can find channels for other search queries on YouTube. Thank you for watching.